everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Adverb Crypto account. Watch the video till the end. To log into your Adverb Crypto account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Adverb Crypto login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link from the search result. It will take you to the login page of Adverb Crypto. Enter your username and password associated with your Adverb Crypto's account and then tap on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password. This is how you can log into your Adverb Crypto's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.